After receiving your product, please check that the following items are included. Unfold and lift the stem. Securely lock the stem latch. Remove all fixing bolts from the handlebar clamp. Remove the upper handlebar clamp. Place the handlebar onto the lower clamp. Ensure the sandblasted center section of the handlebar is perfectly aligned within the clamp. Reinstall the upper handlebar clamp. Insert the handlebar clamp bolts as shown in the video. Tighten the bolts sequentially following the tightening order shown in the video. Folding and unfolding instructions. Fold the stem downward. Hook the stem latch onto the rear hook located at the end of the deck. The scooter is now fully folded. Release the stem hook, then lift and unfold the stem. Securely lock the stem latch. The scooter is now unfolded. The charging port location is shown below.